To get started, I just added a video clip to my timeline. Now let's add some text by clicking on the New button in the media area. Select Composite Shot. I'm just going to keep the defaults as they are, but you may want to increase the duration if you want your text to display longer. Now in here, click the Text tool. Then click in the frame to bring up the text properties. Make sure your text box is a decent size and click OK. Now just type your text out. I'm okay with how my text looks, but if you want to change its appearance, just select it and then go over to the Text tab to see the settings. Alright, now that we have our text, let's go back to the editor and open back up the Media tab. Drag your composite shot above your video and position it to where you want your text to first appear. And I'm also going to decrease the duration of the composite shot and move my text in the frame a little. Now let's add our fade by going to the Effects panel. Type Additive Dissolve into the search box. Drag the effect to the very start of your composite shot to get a fade in. Okay, this looks good, but let's extend its duration a bit. Use the timeline slider to zoom in on the Additive Dissolve. Now just drag the Additive Dissolve's end to increase its duration. To add a fade out, all you need to do is drag the Additive Dissolve to the end of your composite shot. Alright, and that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.